Hello, everyone. My name is Gary Sutton, and I'm a longtime BI and data analytics leader. If you work with data, whether you're a programmer, an analyst, a project manager, or a business leader, you know the stakes are high. Decisions have to be made quickly, with confidence, and based on more than just a hunch. And that's exactly why I wrote Statistics Every Programmer Needs. This book bridges the gap between theory and real world application. You'll master techniques like regression analysis, decision trees and random forests, Monte Carlo simulations, Markov chains, and optimization, while learning not just how to use them in Python, but when and why they work. Every chapter combines clear explanations with reusable, annotated code you can adapt to your own projects. We'll walk through probability and distributions, build predictive models, optimize decisions under constraints, and simulate uncertainty so you can quantify risk and opportunity. Unlike many resources that lean too far toward dense math on the one hand or copy paste code on the other, this book gives you the full picture, the principles behind each method, the code to implement them, and the practical insight to interpret and communicate your results. By the end, you'll have a toolkit for making better decisions, grounded in statistics, powered by Python, and tested in real world scenarios. If you want to go beyond guesswork and start making data driven decisions with clarity and precision, Statistics Every Programmer Needs is for you. It's available now at Manning.com. It will change the way you think about and work with data.